Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share you about how to create three structure connection in Revit. Here, demonstration of three structure connection, how it look like. So you want to create a detailing here and a detailing just like that, so you can create it in your project. So I'm going to show you how. Why are you going to create a three structure connection? You might have the main structure, so it means the structure framing and the structure column. I'm going to show you how we're going to create the structure connection between the column and framing. So let's see here. I'm going to using the framing and universal column. If you do not have in your template, you have to download from log family. So I had it. So I'm going to create for you in here. I'm going to create a 2 meter right over here. Then I might need another column and the C structure column. I use a structure universal column. If you do not have load family right over here, so I'm going to create a height from the level 0 to and connection and connected 2 meter height. So I'm going to create it right over here. So if you're not aligned it, so I'm going to use it. So I might need to see on the plan view. I choose that is the start view here. So I was going to bring it up to the level 2. I'm going to copy and place the same alignment. So the 2 meter and 2 meter right over here. This is a three structure connection. So we're going to see in the 3D view, but I might need this surface from this view. So what left side? So I will rotate it. You press the shift, then you the structure column will rotate. So if we had it, so I might need the structure plate in here and the structure plate in here. So how I'm going to connect it with the plate and plate both to the column and structure framing. So how you can see on site. So I'm going to create the plate. So if you want to go into use a plate, then you look over here, the T here. So we're going to select the plate, then you can create where you want it to, but I need a specific location. And if you want the specific location, you have to set the work plane where exactly you want it to. I wanted this work plane here. So we're going to create it like in 3D view. So just like that. Then yes. So you got this, but I might need to change the element to tally with this. So I need to check the column what the element is using. So I look over here. That's Matesti 43 to 75. So I select over this, change the material right over here, and look for this guy. So double click, he coming over here. So we had it. Then you will see this structure is not in here. Then what you need to do that. So I just need to print outside and put inside the plate and waiting with the main column. So how I'm going to do this, edit boundary, look onto the 2D view, how I'm going to grade it, just look over this. So like this, and we have a cut here and a straight line here, another straight line, another cut line, edge to here, this. So this is the one I'm going to using. So I will modify the shape. Okay, then this one I don't need this. I was going to delete it. So I had it. Then I was going to mirror to the other side. After you created the one piece of plate, then you can copy and you duplicate whatever you wanted to. Just mirror it and copy it. Every time, how many pieces you can copy in your project, it doesn't matter. So because in your editor is like Creo, it doesn't allow you. So you can copy and you can place anywhere you want it to. Okay, so we had it as play, but one thing, we need to create bolt net in here to connect with the framing this. So you need a bolt net, so you need to look for here. That's T here. So you can choose where what type of bolt nut you wanted to. I was going to choose a both, so I will click over this. This is an option. After you click this, you have to select where exactly you wanted to. I give you the better idea. You just want to select and is every element in within this selection box. So I will select it all. Then you see the icon changes where you wanted to create this. So I was choosing this one. So he coming over this. So I was choosing this one to this surface, but I might need to offset inside. So where I wanted to, that's 30, and I will place inside, and let it go. You will see look like this. Okay, now we have done this side. So how about this? So I might need that one. Okay, one more thing. In this plate we had it, so I might need to close in the top view. It doesn't like to see there is an opening, so I just want to close in the column. Then I just go into the top view, then copy it here, copy it, and you place on the top. Then you can hide it, but you can't see in the plate in this view. The reason is you're choosing the wrong template or graphic override. It doesn't show you. Then you go into the C social connection. You have to check the plate here. Then you were able to see in the plate here. So just look like this. So I will going to bring it down back. So move and bring it down here. Look into the 3D view. That's how you can use in that one. But in the first time you're using that, because of his or the connection that you copy, that is a mistake. That's an opening right over here. But if you don't want it, but it's no choice that, so you have to delete it. So another plate we are going to create it. You have to set the what plate where specifically you wanted to place the plate. This one I just place it, go into the plan view, and I will draw manually. And here, right over here, then the 3-point curve like this. Oh, not that one. It's like this and like this. So we had it. So in here the biggest advice. So if you had it but you don't mirror into there, but is the plate is only allowing the one loop. It doesn't allow you another loop to the somewhere. No, it doesn't allow you to create. So just finish it, look into the 3D view, then you had it, but you have to change the material to tally with the column material 43 to 75, and look into the sub view and bring it down. So going to the plan view, I might need to mirror this. Then a mirror, and that's on a point, and look in the 2D view. So that you can close it. So another one, we have to create a plate in between the social framing and the column. Then I was going to create the plate in here, set the column, pick a plane, and just this surface. So I'm going to create another plate in the 3D view. It's like so easier way in here. So you get it. This is the plate. How you can create the plate in here. So, and if you want to change the thickness, so I was going to change the 16, and this one I was going to change the 16. Okay, how about this? So I was going to change the 16. Okay, this, here you go, like this. So everything in order. So this plate, I was going to change the material with the special framing and column. So I will choose a modesty 43 to 75. So we had it. But another thing, this special column need to be moved back a bit on top of the plate. It's like that. So going to the top view. So I might need to align with the guide. So here you go. And look into the 3D view. So we have a proper connection, so we might need the board, the plate and the column. So what we're going to do this, so you're going to the ST, then choose a board. After you click it, there's a cursor right over here. Then what you need to do that, you have to select where the connection, the plate to the board. So you have to select within this boundary. So you select it, then this cursor is changed. So if you have to choose a surface where the surface you wanted to put on the board. So this surface, I was going to create this, and right over here. So the rotated in another corner. So I will choose this corner. So I need to offset in a line for the board. The location is 3 millimeter. I put it in, then the finish it. So we have a board proper connection here, but I might need, but there is no correct location right over here. But you have to add it tight, then put inside how much, and another 20 here and here. Just click OK. This is everything in order. So what you want to put the 3 board in the vertical line, so you have to chain in the 3 here, then you got it, this 3. So look like this. So if you want to change the side, the nut here and here 60 mm, so you want to change the 20, then just like that. Okay, there we go. So how about this? If you want to change the horizontal one, you have to choose in this 3. So look like this. If you want to change the side right over here, it's a 20. So we had it. So how about the stiffener plate, the connection between the structure framing and the column? So we're going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to choosing this steel right over here. Then I'm going to choose a plate. When you click the plate, that you have to set the work plane where exactly you want to create the work plane. So you have to set the work plane in here, pick a plane. So actually I might need this surface because exactly I want to create in here. So we're going to here soft view. So exactly I want it a 400 millimeter, 400 milli. Then I was going to 45 degree and just using this. Then what is the thickness size? So 20. I will choose a 20 plate. Then you look into the positioning where exactly is. So it's not really look good, so I need to put it back inside. So you go into the plan view where you want to see this, and exactly where exactly you want to see that plate, it doesn't appear in here. So or what? So I might need to see the plates. You look at this. If you choose a round template, you are not able to see automatically, but you need to look for the street structure column, street structure connection here. So select the plate and select the bolt. So you will see the bolt and net right over here. So our plate it here. So I don't need that one location. So I will put inside. Then okay, good enough. So I might need another one in the mirror. Look like this. So look over here, the sub view and the 3D view, and look like this. So but we need to change the material to tell it with the structure column and structure framing. I will choose a metal steel 43 275. But one more thing, we might need another stiffener plate in right over here. So what you need to do that, there's a slash, and then go into the sub view. Now we're going to mirror it. Look for this mirror, then select it, but it's not proper positioning, then bring it down. Okay, looking at the 3D view. That's how we can make it in your in the project. So you can create this based on this demonstration video. I hope you enjoyed it. So next time, if anything you need, you let me know. I will going to create for you the demonstration video. So see you next video. Bye bye.